Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Essential English. In today's lesson, we're going to the grocery store with Emma and her brother James.
You'll learn useful phrases, everyday vocabulary, and natural English, just like native speakers use.
Listen carefully, repeat after us, and practice along the way. Are you ready? Let's get started.
James, did you finish writing the shopping list?
Yeah, I did. Here it is. We need milk, eggs, bread, apples, rice, chicken, and snacks.
That's a good start, but I think we're missing a few things.
Like what?
Maybe orange juice, pasta, and cheese. Oh, and don't forget yogurt.
Got it. Let me add those. Do you want to get something for dessert?
Oh, yes, let's add some chocolate ice cream.
Teaching moment in English. A shopping list is a list of things you need to buy at the store. It helps you stay organized and remember everything. For example, I always make a shopping list before going to the grocery store. Synonyms: grocery list, common in American English.
Wow, this store is huge.
I know, right? We should get a shopping cart.
Or maybe a basket if we're not buying too much.
No, we have a lot on the list today. Definitely a cart.
Okay, let me grab one. Oh, look at these small baskets for kids.
So cute. But let's stick to the big one.
A shopping cart is the large thing with wheels where you put your groceries. A basket is smaller and you carry it by hand. In natural English, we often say grab a cart or grab a basket instead of take a cart.
Excuse me, where can I find the dairy section?
It's down this aisle and to the left.
Thanks. And where's the bread aisle?
Bread is in aisle 6, just past the dairy.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
When you want to ask where something is in a store, you can say, "Where can I find the milk? Where's the fruit section? Which aisle is the rice in?"
Aisle is the path between shelves in a store. Example: cereal is in aisle 3.
Okay, first on the list, milk. Do we want whole milk or skimmed milk?
Skimmed milk, please. I'm trying to eat healthier.
Got it. And what about cheese? Wow, there are so many options.
Yeah. Let's get cheddar for sandwiches and mozzarella for pizza night.
Sounds good. Should we also get some butter?
Yes, 1 pack is enough.
Vocabulary focus. Whole milk is full-fat milk. Skimmed milk is a low-fat or fat-free milk. Cheddar and mozzarella are types of cheese.
Excuse me, how much is this yogurt?
It's $3.50 for 1 pack.
And that's a little expensive. Look, this one is on sale.
Oh, really? How much is it?
It's only $2.
Perfect. I'll take this one.
Explanation in English. When asking about prices, you can say, "How much is this?" to ask in the singular, and "How much are these?" to ask in the plural. If something is on sale, it means it's cheaper than usual.
What's next on the list?
Apples, bananas, and strawberries.
Okay, fruits and vegetables are in aisle 3.
Let's get 6 red apples, a bunch of bananas, and 2 boxes of strawberries.
Should we get oranges too?
Good idea. Oh, and look at those green grapes.
Yeah, let's get a bag.
Expanding vocabulary. A bunch of bananas is a group of bananas together. Strawberry box is a container with strawberries. Bag of grapes. Grapes usually come in bags.
Excuse me, which pasta sauce do you recommend?
If you like creamy sauces, try Alfredo. If you prefer tomato-based sauces, go with marinara.
Let's try the Alfredo today.
Great, and don't forget to grab spaghetti.
Should I get this cereal or that one?
What's the difference?
This one has less sugar, but that one is cheaper.
Let's go with the healthier one.
Explanation. Use comparatives when comparing to things. Cheap gives cheaper. For healthy, you use healthier. And for good, use the word better.
Hi, can I have 1 kilo of chicken breast, please?
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, 500 grams of ground beef, please.
Here you go.
Well, look who it is, Emma and James.
Aunt Sally. Hi, it's so good to see you here.
Hi, Aunt Sally. How are you doing?
I'm great. Thanks. Just picking up a few things for dinner. How about you two?
We're doing well. We're almost done with our shopping.
This store is really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, I love it. Everything looks so fresh, and the prices are pretty good too.
Totally. We come here almost every week.
That's great. So, what's for dinner tonight?
Probably pasta. We got some Alfredo sauce and fresh mozzarella.
Sounds delicious.
Thanks anyway. We've finished our shopping list, so we're heading to the checkout now.
Okay, sweeties. Have fun cooking tonight.
Thanks, Aunt Sally. See you soon.
Bye, darlings.
In this scene, Emma and James greet Aunt Sally using natural expressions. How are you doing? This is a friendly and casual way to ask how someone is. It's more natural than just, how are you? You can answer, I'm good, thanks. Doing great, not bad, thanks. Is informal but common. And it's so good to see you. This is a warm and friendly phrase when you meet someone. Everything looks so fresh. This is a natural compliment about the products in the store. Fresh is recently picked, clean, or new. You can also use it for food, flowers, clothes, or even air.
Hi. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you.
Great. Do you have a loyalty card?
No, we don't.
That's okay. Your total is $70.
Here's my card.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Wow, that was a lot of shopping.
I know, right? But we've got everything we need.
Perfect. Let's go home and make pasta tonight.
Sounds delicious.
Let's review what we learned today. Useful phrases. Where can I find the dairy section? How much is this? I'll take this one, please. Do you have a loyalty card?
Great job today! You've learned useful shopping phrases, everyday vocabulary, and natural English conversations for the grocery store.
Keep practicing these dialogues. Repeat them out loud and try using them in real life. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson here on Speak Essential English. See you in the next video.